In our last module, we've implemented our product controller class, and in this module we are going to work on the program.cs class. So what's the program.cs? The program.cs here is the entry point and configuration for our application. Its key responsibilities are: it registers services, dependency injection, it configures middleware pipelines, it sets up routing and endpoints, and handles application startup or shutdown. Okay, back to our application, orderstream.product.web API. Let's first install our Swagger. So let's right click on the orderstream.product.web API and select manage NuGet packages. This is where we are. Here by default we have Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.OpenAPI. I don't need it for now, so let me uninstall this one. Select it and click on the uninstall button. Apply. So let's see what we have. It's gone. Now let's look for swashbuckle.ASP.NET Core. Here we are. Select it and click on install button. Apply. I accept. Okay, we have it installed here. Let's save everything and go back to our program.cs class. Here we are. Since we've uninstalled the OpenAPI, we no longer need this one. So let me remove this line from here and also remove this line from here and replace them with the Swagger implementation. All right, here at the end here, after the add controller, let's do builder.services add endpoint API Explorer for the Swagger, and then builder.services add Swagger gen. Okay, and then at the end here we put app.use Swagger. We close it, and then app.use Swagger UI. Okay, that's the first implementation, which is the Swagger implementation. And next we have added our product context here, and then we have application here, the application project here, and at the end here I have a class.cs. Okay, let me delete this one. I can actually change it to extension and put everything right here. I'm sure. Okay, then let's change it to extension. Let's rename it and call it extension. And to call this one here, right? Okay. Right here, just after the DB context call, we do this one, builder.services add application. We do this, not configure application, but add application. So we need to configure that one in the extension class of the application project. And then down here, we need to do the same thing for the infrastructure too. So we have builder.services.add infrastructure, but this one need a configuration here. That will be, I think, builder.configuration. Okay. Yeah, we have error. So now let's go back to our other stream.product.application and other stream.product.infrastructure to implement those classes. Let's do that next.